Now, let's define the high-level deployment process of our chosen scenario, providing application security and API protection using an embedded Nano Agent on top of a Linux machine running an Nginx reverse proxy. First, we define the AppSec policy. Then we deploy the Nano Agent. And finally, we can create exceptions and additional definitions on the Infinity Portal's end to accommodate any special requirements that go beyond the default settings. Let's break it down. Defining the AppSec policy includes defining the assets we wish to protect and the type of agent deployment we wish to implement. Policy practices will be automatically populated with Checkpoint's best practice defaults at the end of this process. This policy will be enforced by the Nano Agents. In our use case, since we would also like to protect web APIs on top of applications, we will need to upload an API schema to enforce the API calls being sent to the application. Next, we deploy the Nano Agent. In this step, we install a Nano Egg on the target Linux Nginx machine. The Nano Egg is a binary that creates trust between the protected asset and the Infinity platform in the cloud. The Nano Egg then deploys the relevant Nano Agent services based on the policy and the environment on which it is installed. Finally, we can create exceptions and additional definitions in the Infinity portal to accommodate any special requirements that go beyond the default settings. All right, it's time to deploy. It is assumed that you already have a Checkpoint Infinity Portal account set up at portal.checkpoint.com and that you have an Nginx reverse proxy set up as the target Linux machine, as this is beyond the scope of this session.